If you're planning for any holiday get-togethers this year, you might be, of course, planning what outfit you're gonna wear. You might be focusing on what glowy skincare routine you're gonna do to prepare for this party. If you're of the mature age, you will definitely be planning on having your under eye area super hydrated and plump and moisturized. You might even decide it's time to do some teeth whitening a few days before the event. Hopefully you've already picked out a fun, festive outfit, and hopefully you don't get those few little pesky breakouts right before an event like I seem to get every single time. You might think that you already have everything planned so that you can look and feel your best for this year's holiday get-togethers. But you look in the mirror and you realize you completely forgot one thing. I'm gonna let these marinate on my teeth for like 30 minutes and then I'll come right back and I'm gonna tell you the one important thing that you absolutely don't want to forget. Now, I don't know what outfit you plan to wear for your holiday get-together, but if you plan to wear something with a V-neck or maybe strapless or anything that's gonna show your chest area, if you are my age or older or even younger, if you are a side sleeper like I am, or you're just aging and you get those little pesky wrinkles all in your chest, especially if you sleep on your side, you'll notice in the morning when you wake up, they're a lot deeper and etched in. You cannot forget your neck and your chest area. I don't know about you, I'm not a huge fan of putting makeup on my neck. Now, there are some different makeup products that you can put on and set so they don't rub off on your clothes. But you know, if you're hugging people, that is like the worst thing, to be concerned that you're hugging them and you're getting makeup or something like that on them. So for my chest area, this is a product that I have used. I've shared it probably for the past couple years, but if you are looking for that filter in a bottle to instantly make those chest wrinkles not appear as deep and crinkly, and I have this like patch of hyperpigmentation right here. It's not a makeup at all. This is a clear, kind of slightly yellow tinted product, but it almost kind of blurs out this hyperpigmentation that I have from sun damage. But I don't know if you can tell, it just now looks like it almost looks like there's a filter on my chest. Now, granted, I am sitting in the kitchen and the lights are bright. I wanna show you what my chest looked like before I applied this, after about 15 minutes, and then of course this has been now about an hour of what it looks like on my chest. So this is what my chest looked like this morning after I woke up. Again, I'm a side sleeper, and even if I don't sleep on my side, I still, you know, I'm 52 years old, I still have wrinkles and crinkles on my neck and my chest. Now, this spot right here on my neck, this is a scar from my spinal surgery that I had 20 some years ago. And then these other little red etched in lines, of course there's tech neck on my neck, but I was testing out another skincare product on my neck that the acids were a little bit too strong for my neck, so it caused a little bit of kind of burning and irritation, so it kind of embedded down into these wrinkles, and so it's left it a little red, but that'll go away here in a few days. But look at my chest. This is what it looked like when I woke up. You can see the wrinkles kind of etched in. You can see how this little hyperpigmentation area is quite kind of red and blotchy looking. And then I applied this product. This is by the brand Dermalect. This is their Confidence Crease Concentrate, and this has no water in it at all. You know, most products, the first ingredient is water, but this does not have water in it. So let me just quickly tell you a little bit about this product, and then I want to show you what my neck looked like about 15 minutes after I applied it, and then of course I'm going to zoom in and show you what it looks like now. This is a very silicone feeling, very silky type product, but what this has in it, this has the hyaluronic acid in it, but they're in like little spheres. What they kind of do when they go into the skin, they burst and they will help plump up those fine lines and wrinkles. And then it also has the smoothing ingredients, which will make your neck and your chest area pretty much look like you have a filter on it. This also has a type of retinol in it that of course over time will help smooth those fine lines and wrinkles, help build collagen, help the skin cells to turn over more rapidly, but it's a gentle product. So this does give me the instant results, but over time, since it is a really good skincare product, over time the results are just gonna get better and better. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I don't even do sponsored content. Of course, if you do use my links, I do receive an affiliate commission, but there's no pressure to ever even use my links, but if you do, thank you very much. I also have a discount code for this if you're interested in saving a lot of money. But On their website, they actually say to use this on the face. I actually don't put this on my face. I just specifically use it on my neck and my chest, and I use it on the backs of my hands. But the reviews are fantastic where people rave about this on their face. But the reason I don't use this on my face, and even though I'm 52 years old, in the beginning of this video, I shared those little pimple breakouts that I have. I am super acne prone, but there is an ingredient in here that I try to avoid since it could potentially clog pores, and it's, I don't know, like the 5th ingredient. So for me, that's still a little too high up on the ingredient list for me to risk putting it on my face. Now, if you're not acne prone, you probably have no issues with something like this at all, but I personally don't put it on my face. But that's what it is meant for. So if you do not have acne prone skin, then go for it. Put it on your face and see your face look like you have a filter on it. This is the most unique and interesting product on the market for the neck and I've never heard anyone talk about this to use it the way I do on the neck and the chest. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like about 10-15 minutes after I applied it. And yes, you can still see the wrinkles. Those wrinkles are not going to completely disappear, but you can see how they've kind of plumped up. They're starting to get that little smoothing effect, that little filter effect on the area, and you can slowly see how that hyperpigmented area is starting to look a little blurred. I'm gonna zoom in so that you can see what it looks like now. Little wrinkles are still there, but can you tell how now they're just more puffed up? It's a lot smoother. And the nice thing that I will do is wear like a choker type necklace, so that can kind of help disguise these little tech neck wrinkles. This is what I reach for all the time when I want that instant filter in a bottle, or if I look at my neck and my chest and I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks 10 years older, and I wanna try to help it match the skin on my face, because who doesn't want instant results when we apply a skincare product? If you wanted to see another video of a super fast and easy skincare routine of what I do pretty much almost every single day, or maybe you struggle with eyeshadow and maybe you have kind of hooded, puffy, downturned eyes like I do, and you wanted some help of how to do your eyeshadow to make your eyes look a little more lifted, I'm gonna pop some videos up here if you wanted to click on those and check them out. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have lots of fun if you go to any Christmas or holiday get-togethers this year, and I will see you in the next video.